Have you ever heard of a night so special it's better than 1,000 months? That's more than 83 years. Tonight, we're going to discover the amazing story of Lailat al-Qadr, the Night of Power. One evening, little Amira sat with her grandmother under the stars.
Grandma, she asked with wide eyes, what makes tonight so special?
Let me tell you about the most magical night of the year. Grandma smiled warmly. Long ago, during the blessed month of Ramadan, there is one very special night. It's called Lailat al-Qadr, which means the night of power. On this night, something amazing happened. The first verses of the Quran were revealed.
Wow, exclaimed Amira. What makes it so powerful, Grandma?
Well, my dear, Grandma continued, this one night is better than 1,000 months. Can you imagine? Any good deeds you do, any prayers you make, any kindness you show, it's as if you've been doing them for over 83 years.
Amira's eyes sparkled with wonder. That's incredible. When does it happen?
It happens during the last 10 nights of Ramadan. Some people believe it's on the 27th night, but we search for it in the odd nights. The 21st, 23rd, 25th, 27th, or 29th.
On this blessed night, the angels come down from the heavens. Led by Angel Jibril, they spread peace and blessings everywhere they go, from sunset until the light of dawn.
What should we do on this special night? Asked Amira excitedly.
Grandma's voice became gentle and wise. We pray. We read the Quran. We ask Allah for forgiveness, and we try to be the very best version of ourselves. We can help others, be kind to our family, give to those in need, and make beautiful wishes for the world. And remember, Amira, every good choice you make, every time you're honest, kind, or helpful, these are all like planting seeds of goodness. On Lailat al-Qadr, those seeds grow into mighty trees.
Amira hugged her grandmother tight. I want to make this night count. I'll pray, I'll be extra kind, and I'll help everyone I can.
Grandma kissed her forehead. That's my special girl. The night of power teaches us that we all have incredible power within us. The power to do good, to make a difference, and to shine brightly.
As the stars twinkled above them, Amira felt something magical in her heart. She understood now that Lailat al-Qadr wasn't just about one special night. It was about being the best person she could be every single day. So remember, dear friends, when Ramadan comes and those special nights arrive, make every moment count. Pray with your heart, be kind with your actions, and let your light shine bright. Who knows? You might be experiencing the most blessed night of the year.